Hello everybody. On this quick video I want to show you about a product that I have been working on, which is the Lazy Mockup version 7. Basically it is a Photoshop script for you to process your mockups in a fast way. Let me show you how. But first of all, I want you to imagine as if you could have hundreds of mockups ready to be used in seconds or just minutes. Think about all the mockups you could use and you could have ready to be uploaded to your Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce store, depending on the platform you use. It's up to you in just a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on how many designs you have. So imagine going from this to this in just a couple of minutes. How much time you could save. This is the product called Lazy Mockup, and it was designed basically for you to create listings in a fast, easy, and automated way. So you could literally spend more time on designs, on marketing, and of course, on making more money. And let me show you a couple of its features. First of all, one of the most important ones, I believe, is the ability to be able to export images in separate folders. So let's say you have multiple designs, and instead of having all of the designs being exported, all of them into a single folder with all the mockups, because sometimes it's really confusing if you have a lot of mockups or designs. This way, the script will make a separate subfolder named after the original image so that you can have all of your designs in separate subfolders, and all the mockups will be saved inside those subfolders. So everything will be super organized. Another feature we have is the naming convention, where, for example, in this case, we have selected the image name plus PSD name, which means that the exported mockup images will be named after the original image name plus the PSD name. But you can choose with other two options, which are to keep the document of the Photoshop file. So the image file will be named after the Photoshop file, or you can keep the original image name, basically. You also will be able to choose the file format, which can be JPEG or also PNG. Also, if it's necessary and required on your end to change the DPI, you can also do it here by checking this checkbox. You can change the DPI to whatever DPI requirements you have. If you leave it unchecked, basically the exported image will have the DPI of the mockup file that you are processing and working on. Now let me show you an example of how we processed around 30 designs with 10 mockups in under 20 minutes. Let's get right into it. All right, I just set up the timer. Now I'm just looking for the script. I have the script here. I open it up. I select the folder with the PSD files, which is the mockups. Now I select the images that I will use, which are the designs, and then I select the folder where I want to export the images. Here I select that I want to save my images in subfolders, and then I just start. Let's see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, it took 17 minutes to process all the 300 listing images. Here you can see that inside the export folder, I have all the 30 folders that were made, which are an individual folder for each design. Here you can see the content of the folder, which is the mockups. So here everything is organized. These designs are just for example, but you can imagine how it will look with your own designs. Thank you for watching.